In this video, you will learn how to modify your ringtone on a VTech VSP601 phone. With this model, you have the option to select from more than one ringtone. Press the menu key. You can press up or down on the navigation controls to scroll through the list. Select User Settings, Ringers, and ringer tone. If there are multiple lines assigned to the device, select the line that you wish to modify. With this phone, I can adjust this option for the 6 different lines on this phone, and this can be toggled by pressing Menu when each line is selected. I can scroll through this list to hear each ringtone previewed. Once you've found the one that you like, press the Set Soft key. That concludes the process for modifying your ringtone on a VTech VSP601 phone.